Okay, so here's my assessment kit. My name. Open it up. Start with the table of contents. So here we have the motor screening, the sensory screenings, the perceptual screenings, and the functional visual assessments. Then we have the two additional items here, the Wong-Baker Faces Pain Scale and then MMT. And then the additional items we have are the occlusion mask, which is going to be found in the top of the container, and we're going to go ahead and start there. So we have number 27, occlusion mask. And then number 1, anomia. Instructions. 2 sets of instructions there. We have a lemon, a Q-tip, a lemon card, a rubber band. Then our famous people. We are going to have Tiger Woods, Kelly Clarkson, Barack Obama, just blanked, Kobe Bryant, and Harrison Ford. And then last but not least, we have a key. Number 2, alagnosia. Instructions. We have a pen, a rubber band, a battery, cotton rounds, sandpaper, and a rock. Next up, number 3, amorphic nausea. Instructions. A round plate, a square sponge, a foam triangle, foam heart, a round wooden knob, a square block of wood, and a wooden triangle. Next is number 4, color agnosia. Color anomia. Again, we have 2 sets of instructions. Just made it bigger so that you could read it properly. And here we have our 6 different colors. We have blue, orange, yellow, red, green, and purple. Next is number 5, stereognosis and astereognosis. Our instructions. We have our pen, our cotton rounds, our coin, our nail, our paper clip, and our key. Next up is number 6, agnosia and visual agnosia. Instructions. Our plastic corn on the cob, our coin, our pen, our comb, and our paper clip. Next we have number 7, color agnosia. We have our instructions. So we have our yellow banana, our orange, our red strawberry, our green broccoli, our purple banana, our blue strawberry, and then we have this. We have half and half. We have half red tomato, half white and red onion. They come apart. Same thing here. We have the bottom purple grape, top is an orange carrot, and we also have placards for everything: broccoli, onion, carrot, and the grapes. Constructional Apraxia. The directions. We have our piece of paper, our pencil, and then we have our little guy that's put together right now. You take it apart before the assessment. We have the picture of him, and then we have directions. So we'd instruct the client to just put together the first few steps to ensure that they're able to do this assessment. Next, we have form constancy, number 9. Here we have our plastic fork, our plastic watermelon, our plastic plate, plastic knife, our scissors, and then we have our shapes. We have our red stars, red squares, blue circles, and our purple hearts. Next, we have number 10, prosopagnosia. We have our instructions. We have our mirror. And for the purposes of this test, you only need to show the patient 5. I have 10, just in case they're not familiar with some of these items. I have them from different eras. So we have Serena Williams, Abraham Lincoln, Michael Jordan, Barack Obama, Jesus Christ, Tony Romo, George Washington, Harry Styles, Martin Luther King Jr., and Justin Timberlake. Next is number 11, simultagnosia. The instructions. And then we have our 5 different scenes. We have a concert, mountains, a volleyball match, a playground, and a beach. Next is number 12, visual acuity. We have our instructions. We have our Snellen chart. Next is number 13, saccades. Our instructions. We have our red and our blue sticks. Next is 14, pupillary size. Instructions. And we have our pen light. Next is 15, range of motion. Our instructions. Then we have our charts, our range of motion charts. And we have our different goniometers, as well as our tape measure. 16, this is the beginning of the sensory assessments, all written in green. It's gustation. Directions. Here we have warheads for sour. We have Sour Patch Kids for sweet and sour. Then we also have coffee for bitter, brown sugar for sweet, as well as salt for salting. And then for the purposes of this kit, everything is labeled with the exact items that I have in my kit personally. Verse 17 is olfaction. Instructions. We have our banana scent, pineapple scent, coconut scent, and our watermelon scent. Next up is number 18, audition. Here we have the instructions. And we have the tuning fork. 19 is next. And it's vibration. And we have the instructions here. And it says see assessment 18 for the tuning fork. Next is 20, sharp dull discrimination. Instructions. And we have our paperclip. Next is number 21, temperature, hot and cold discrimination. So here we have our instructions. Our dermatome chart, our cold compress, and then we have our heat compress. You just press this and it gets hot. Next is 22, 2-point discrimination. Instructions, and we have our discriminators. Next is 23, tactile localization. Have our instructions. We have our dermatome chart here, as well as a more pronounced upper body dermatome chart. And we have our pen. Next is light touch discrimination. The instructions, this is number 24. We have our paperclip and our cotton rounds. These are the additional assessments. We have number 25, the Wong-Baker pain scale. This is the instructions. We have the Wong-Baker pain scale here, as well as a colorful one as well. And last but not least, we have number 26, MMT, manual muscle testing. Here we have the instructions. And then we have the charts, the manual muscle testing chart. Ooh. And that's going to complete my assessment. Thank you so much.